Hello, everyone, and welcome back to MR English Diaries. I'm James.
And I'm Olivia. James, what time of year is it?
Let me think. It's the end of December, so it's almost a new year.
Exactly. So today's topic is perfect. We're going to learn what to say in English for Happy New Year.
This is very useful. You can say it to your friends, your family, or even to us in the comments. So let's start learning some easy and happy phrases.
Okay, James, the most important phrase is very simple. It's Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. It sounds nice and happy. But Olivia, when do we say it?
Great question. We say it on December 31st, which is New Year's Eve, and on January 1st, which is New Year's Day. You can say it for many days in January.
So I can see you on January 1st and say, Happy New Year, Olivia.
Yes, perfect. And I will say Happy New Year to you too, James, or you too. This is short and friendly.
I like you too. It's easy. Let's practice a mini conversation for our listeners.
Good idea. Okay, imagine we meet at a party. Hello, Olivia.
Hi, James. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year to you too, or you too.
Wonderful. Now, on December 31st, we say it's New Year's Eve. This is the night before the new year. People often say, have a happy New Year's Eve. Have fun.
Oh, right. So if my friend is going to a party, I can say, have a happy New Year's Eve. Have fun.
That's a great example, James. Now, people also make promises for the new year. We call these New Year's resolutions.
New Year's resolutions, like a promise to myself?
Yes. For example, my New Year's resolution is, I want to learn more English.
That's a good one. My resolution is, I want to exercise more, but maybe I will start tomorrow.
Very funny, James. Okay, here's another common question. After Happy New Year, people often ask, what are your plans for New Year's?
Plans? Like, what will you do?
Yes, so you can answer simply, I will be with my family, or I will watch fireworks, or I will relax at home.
Let me try. Olivia, what are your plans for New Year's?
I will be with my family. We will eat good food and talk. What about you, James?
I will watch the fireworks on TV. They are very beautiful.
Oh, I like that. Nice and simple.
You know, Olivia, last New Year's Eve, I was with my friend. At 12 o'clock midnight, everyone started saying, Happy New Year! It was very loud and very happy.
That sounds like a wonderful memory. And that's a key moment, at midnight, which is 12 o'clock at night. That's when the new year begins. So exactly at midnight, you can shout, Happy New Year, everyone!
Yes, and then we all sang a song. Do you know it? It's called Auld Lang Syne.
Ah, yes, that's a traditional song. But don't worry, listeners. Even many English speakers don't know all the words. We just hum the music.
Now, listeners, it's your turn. Let's practice together. Repeat after us. Say it out loud if you can. First, the main phrase. Say, Happy New Year. Good. Now, reply to a friend. Say, you too. Excellent. Now let's try a little question. Think about this. What are your plans for New Year's? You can say, I will be with my family, or I will relax. Try to say your answer out loud. We know speaking is a little scary at first, but you are doing great. Every word is progress.
So, let's remember the most important things we learned today. Number 1, Happy New Year. And the reply, you too. Number 2, New Year's Eve is December 31st. Number 3, a common question, what are your plans for New Year's?
That's it. Now you know what to say. You are ready for the new year. We are so proud of you for learning today. Remember, be confident and just try. People will be happy to hear you say it.
Now we have a question for you. Please write in the comments below, Happy New Year, or tell us, what is your New Year's resolution?
It would make us so happy to read your messages. Also, if you liked this lesson, please give us a thumbs up, the like button.
And don't forget to subscribe to MR English Diaries and hit the bell icon. Then you won't miss our next friendly lesson.
From both of us, thank you for listening. Happy New Year! Goodbye!